Okay, din ang ating pig. Yun. Malots, time check. 5:51, 52. Saturday, June 24. Lechon for today. Ayos. Ayos, ayos. Good. Mansong. Lechon for today. Bush. Ready na for delivery. Lechon for today. Ayos. Ready na ang lechon. Let's go, let's go. Okay. Hindi-deliver na ninyo. Ready. Ng lechon. Lechon. Okay. Tara. Mexican wedding yata to ah. Okay, nandito na tayo. Deliver na natin. Party. Wedding. Delivery, lechon delivery. Baboy. Mix yata ito, Filipino mix. No. I'll do it. So it's kind of big. So this is the sauce.
Thank you so much.
And is it okay to pack here? Like quick?
Right now.
Yeah, sure. Thank you.
Thank you so much. And you'll take it out of the box.
Oh, just okay. So medyo happy naman sila yung nakita nila yung aking lechon. So ang worth noon is ang worth noon is 395, 48 pounds. 48 pounds na pig. Okay, ayos. So mabuhay ang lechonero. So tama lang pala kasi ang delivery is may charge ang delivery tapos nag-deposit sa akin ng 50. So 395 less 50. So yan, okay na. So bilangin natin ulit. Bilangin natin 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 300, 2, 4, 6, 8. So 385. Okay na yan. So mabuhay po ang lechonero ng California. Nakadalawa tayo ngayon. At pwede na tayong mag-gym. So naka-off tayo, kumikita tayo. At kahit papaano ay meron tayong pambili ng saluyot. Okay? Ang lechonero ng California. Babush, Ilocano. Exercise muna tayo para matanggal yung ating stress sa pagluluto. Let's go!